There it is. This is my Manco Dominator 126cc Tecumseh 6.5 horsepower. All I need is a pull start and another tire on the side. This is a Dodge rim off my brother's truck. Yeah, and it'll run. Rigged up a throttle cable with some clamps. Got a lot more tires on the front, back, and over there. Here's some tires though, but I don't even use them anymore. It was orange. Look at the bottom. Yeah. I'm trying to restore it, but that's it. Did have it on Facebook, no one would want to buy it though. Goes about 30 to 50 miles per hour. It's pretty good. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.